Deference is a noun that refers to a polite submission or respect shown to someone, often because of their authority, experience, or status. It highlights an attitude of humility and consideration toward another person's opinions, wishes, or position. Origins of deference. The word deference comes from the French Deference, which in turn derives from the Latin defer, meaning to carry down or to yield. It entered the English language in the 17th century and has since been associated with showing respect through yielding or compliance. How to use deference. Deference is commonly used in formal or respectful contexts, emphasizing acknowledgement of someone's superior knowledge, authority, or role. Example sentences. In deference to the professor's expertise, the students adjusted their approach to the research project. The committee decided to postpone the vote out of deference to the absent chairperson. He spoke with deference when addressing the elder statesman. And similar words. Respect, a feeling of deep admiration for someone due to their qualities or achievements. Reverence, deep respect often tinged with obedience, compliance with an order or request. Courtesy, polite behavior toward others. Nuances of deference, positive tone. Deference often implies willing and respectful submission, reflecting good manners and acknowledgement of authority or wisdom. Neutral context, it can also describe practical compliance in situations requiring decorum or tact. Not blind obedience. Deference doesn't mean abandoning one's own opinions. It suggests thoughtful consideration of another's position. Cultural and literary usage. Deference is a recurring theme in literature and philosophy, often illustrating dynamics of power, respect, and societal norms. For example, deference plays a central role in hierarchical structures like families, governments, and workplaces, reflecting how respect shapes human interaction. In essence, deference is a word that embodies respect and humility, reminding us of the importance of acknowledging others' perspectives, roles, and contributions in various aspects of life.